Alright guys, Jose here with Levi, and we're in his Viper. So Levi, tell us a little about your Viper.
This is my 2001 GTS ACR. Right now in the Viper registry, which pretty much all of us, or a couple Facebook pages, this is one of 38 that's still remaining. This is my daily driver in Germany. It's my baby. I drive it everywhere, and I respect the car, so it's taken pretty good care of me so far. What most people don't know is the major design and development of this car. Ford and Dodge actually have a very close heritage when it comes to this car. So one of the main designers for this car was actually Carroll Shelby, and Carroll Shelby helped design it after his AC Cobra. So a lot of Ford guys don't know that. They're always like, Dodge, you know, no Dodge. But there's a lot of close heritage that keeps them both together. This one's V10 Supercharged, 2.8 liter with cast, what we call a cream puff motor in it, which means it has cast pistons. They did that for emissions in order to make the piston basically bigger than everything else. This car was tuned with a race exhaust, so it was a free flow. It had a couple small shorty mufflers on it, and it was loud. So I got I got arrested. They said it was reckless driving, but they never could prove it.